Hello there. High pressure has been dominating the weather story just recently, but there are some subtle changes as we go through the day. Just want to point out to you, first thing on Saturday morning, it was cold and frosty, but there was plenty of blue sky and sunshine. Fast forward a day, Sunday morning has been certainly a grayer start, a lot of cloud around in Norfolk first thing this morning, and it looks likely that that cloud is here to stay as high pressure just drifts off into the near continent, and we've got that southwesterly feed driving in more cloud from a moister Atlantic. And yes, some of that cloud is going to be stubbornly sitting with us throughout the afternoon. There might be some brief glimpses of sunshine from time to time, but if you keep the cloud all day, it will have an impact on the feel of the weather. On top of that, the winds are pretty light, so it's not going to be helping to break that cloud up. That said, further north and west, we're going to see the winds strengthening in western Scotland, gusting to gale force by the end of the day. Here we'll see highest values of 9 degrees, but if you keep the cloud all day, temperatures will struggle 5 degrees at the very best. Now, it'll be a similar story through the night. On the whole, most of us will keep this blanket of cloud and prevent those temperatures from falling below freezing. But where we do get a few holes, we'll see low single figures, maybe a bit of patchy mist and fog forming. Once again, it stays very mild for the time of year into the far northwest. And that's because there's a weather front as well that's pushing in. It will start to bring some rain into the northwest of Scotland, and the winds remain a bit of a feature. But across England and Wales, still under the influence of high pressure, still a fair amount of cloud with us and very light winds. So for central and southern England, it's going to be a drab day. Further north of that, there'll be some glimpses of sunshine, and then we've got our weather front bringing some nuisance rain into the far north of Scotland. 7 to 9 degrees here, but if we keep the cloud, perhaps once again 5 or 6 at the very best. Now, as we move through the middle part of the week, we're going to see more of a significant front, particularly on Wednesday, bringing some wetter and windier weather into Scotland. This one will sink south and potentially bring some rain for England and Wales. Not that much, but certainly more than we've seen just recently. So some rain around on Wednesday, and then things will then get a little bit brighter and hopefully just that little bit milder as well.